Good morning from Costa Maya. Wow, the weather looks 10 times better today than it did yesterday. We are going to get off the ship today and show you what's back there. We're taking the jams with us, so let's go. Today, Mr. Murphy is spotting Ricky Bobby from the movie Talladega Nights with some camo pants. We normally don't do this, but we're just doing it for fun. Suntan lotion, bug spray. Right, Deck 19, the little Brasserie buffet. We haven't shown you this. They've got breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I guess when they're full, they're full. Let's see if we can find our friends and show you around. Very pretty up here. Not much to see food-wise because everybody's picked through it all, but it's a beautiful day in Costa Maya. All right, Celebrity Beyond and Brilliant Lady. Both in port with us today. We've got our friends again with us. All right, we are off the ship. Whenever you see that, it doesn't look good. We're gonna make our way over to Costa Maya. Once again, Virgin's in port with us, the Brilliant Lady, and Celebrity Beyond Valletta. Here we Right, inside the village here at Costa Maya. Once you get off the ship, you just follow the dock straight through, and they have tours and experiences, last minute tours, pre-booked shore excursions. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. All right. Going over here. Let's see what we can find to do here today. We just tried to book some excursions last minute because we didn't book them on the ship. They want $122 per person for a 3-hour tour. That's a lot of money. So we're just gonna cruise around inside the port and see what's up. Look at these guys. Oh, that's cool. I love the way they step into their culture. See this guy in the port and get your passport stamped. Cash donation helps the islands. Very sweet person. Following along inside the port, it's exact setup just like Puerto Plata. Lots of stores. They try to sell you stuff and do these other things. Got these gentlemen. Wow. Okay. Lots of stores, lots of things to do. Same setup as Puerto Plata, only you don't get a ride to the end of the port. But this looks really cool. They are climbing up 75 feet, risking their lives with 0 harnesses, nothing. Look at them go. Woo! This has been going on in the Gulf of Mexico area. Wow. They are all the way up there. No harnesses, no nothing. And they have a third gentleman climbing up there now. And here comes number 4. Literally spinning the top up there with the strings and stuff. Absolutely crazy. No harness, no nothing. Holy Mother of God. Amazing.
So please let's give them a big round of applause.
Woo!
And motivate the flyers.
That's really cool. Look at that. I don't know how they do it.
The flyers outfit or costumes elaborated with
Very cool. And now they're even lower.
ritual ceremony of
I don't know how they do this. No harness, no nothing, just rope. Crazy. Just like when you were a kid on a ride. There they are. Can't believe they came down 75 feet to do this. Amazing. Make your way through the resort. Beautiful pool that you can go in with a swim-up bar. How beautiful it is here in Costa Maya today. Look how pretty, honey. Yeah. This is great. And this is all free. As you make your way around the resort, you will find these pretty ladies in here. They are the most majestic creature I've ever seen. Why some of them are a little bit pink than the other ones, I don't know, but boy, are they pretty. Better view of the pretty ladies. They don't want you to touch them, don't feed them, don't nothing. Hello, girls. That's right, strut your stuff, ladies. Strut your stuff. Because of their feeding, they're pink. They can go anywhere from least concerned to extinct.
Oh yeah.
They're all throughout the world, tropical, subtropical areas, and shallow salt waters. 27 to 31 days. And they eat crustaceans and algae. That's interesting. We'll call her Burke. This is a map of all the major distilleries in the country. All the tequila that they make throughout Costa Maya and Cozumel. Starting from the 1600s up to 2006. Take care of your belongings. Children have to be supervised when going in there. But that's pretty cool. What do you got to say so far about Costa Maya?
It's very nice here.
A lot different
None
than...
of this was here 10 years ago.
This port is massive. This port was not here 10 years ago. It's amazing how things change. I'm glad that we were able to get off the ship and walk around. I think this is a lot bigger than Puerto Plata. What do you think?
Yes, I would say. Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
Well, they do have the lazy river at Puerto Plata.
There's a lazy river. Swim and sip. Lots of stores. Beautiful day. Lots of retail shops too. And when you come through here, you have to have your guard up because they will do whatever they can to sell you. I just bought a shirt for my brother. $45. Crazy. Here he's making our tacos on the grill. He's taking those tacos and flipping them around. Nice and brown. These are all the fixings. And this is chicken, pork, pineapple. Taco anatomy. Here in the port, $15 for 3 tacos per order served at a stew of your choice. And these gentlemen are doing a wonderful job today serving up our tacos.
Hello, how are you today?
We are wonderful. So we've got, honey, come here. Got
This
some
is onion. The red
onion.
is not spicy, it's plain tomato. The green is the Mexican spicy.
Ah.
The tomato and pepper serrano. I'm sublime.
Okay. What's your poison of choice?
I didn't get the rundown.
We
It's
have
over
onion.
there.
This is semi-sweet.
Yeah, onion and cilantro.
Semi-sweet. This is the Mexican spicy and
That's
lime.
hot, hot, hot.
Hot, hot,
All
hot.
right, well, a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah.
You like spicy, man?
He loves spicy.
Little spicy.
Well, don't kill me.
No, we're not going to kill you, Glenn. It's okay.
Take a picture.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Yum. Oh, here he goes. Glasses are off and he's going in hot. Yeah?
I'm waiting for the bite on the back end. Let's see what it feels like. All right. Well, I got the hot stuff. This should be the sweet stuff.
Dude, it's hot.
My hat is soaked. It's dripping sweat. Let's see what you got here. Get this out of your way.
Chicken. Here we go.
Real tacos in Mexico. See the size of that fly?
It's real hot too.
It's real hot. Oh my God. That's how it's done.
Back to the security checkpoint. We're going back on the ship and we're going swimming. Unless you have a guided tour, there's really not much to do here at Costa Maya other than enjoy the heat. So I see our ship in the distance and we're back on board, and brilliant lady with our friend Doc from the Newark airport is on that ship as we speak. We haven't run into him yet, which I was surprised. And Celebrity Cruises is right next to it. They're still in port with us. We are contemplating on doing a Virgin cruise. If you've ever done a Virgin cruise, let us know in the comments down below what you thought. We're not going to do a big one. We're looking at maybe like a sample of one. We're so fixated with our 3 MSC, NCL, and Holland America. It's kind of hard to do the other cruise ships that are out there, but now we're going to head down to the sports bar and see if we can find Abby and get somebody a cheesecake shot of the sports bar on deck 8. You can play shuffleboard. You can play some darts. There's your prices, $15, $15 and $30 for darts. And it's very nice back here. They even have more back here, open deck. I forgot this was all back here, and we watched from a prior video of some creators. I really like the way they have this laid out. It's really cool. They've got some signed stuff for gloves and baseballs. They've got MSC Cruises, jerseys. It's really cool. Let's take you out the back of the ship. Hold on. Here's the shuffleboard. I haven't played shuffleboard in many years. That's wild. Feeling puppy? And then here's the back of the ship. Takes you all the way around. Beautiful day here in Costa Maya. All aboard pretty soon. We're on our way to currently on deck 8, which is the promenade. There is a restaurant here called Paxos. We're going to be having dinner here tomorrow night, so we'll give you the full experience. Right now we're at Paxos on the go, where you can order some food for lunch and enjoy your lunch. It's not too cool out here. It's a little muggy, but that's okay. We're just here for lunch. There's some other things here as well. We've got the Promenade Bites down there, which is sweets. We've got milkshakes. We've got the All-Star Bar, which is where we saw Mindy, our friend Abby. There's some stores over here behind me in the background. So when you're on the World America, there's a lot of things to do. What did you order us, Mr. Murphy?
I don't know, but our Greek chef over there is pretty cute. He asked me.
You think everybody's cute but your wife.
Oh, you?
You're not nice. This is the feta roll-ups here at Paxos on the go here on the promenade in deck 8. And we've got some calamari over there and he's ready to indulge.
I don't know how you're going to finish your food tonight at Les Dunes.
I'm not really worried.
Look at this chef. Oh my God.
Chopsticks.
But she's got her chopsticks out. She's trying the rolled up feta. Does it have honey on it? Honey, honey, honey. Oh, Mamma Mia. Is it hot in the middle? Is it heaven in the middle?
Heaven.
It's heaven in the middle, folks. We are enjoying our dinner outside of Paxos. This is the walk-up window at Paxos. And we have limited service, but we have the best service in the world. Look at this handsome man over here. You want to be in the YouTube video?
That's our awesome server from
This is our awesome server from India.
Awesome.
He's been taking very good care of us. And we're ready for souvlaki next.
To the zucchini bites, everybody. Yowza, baby, yowza. Take a bite.
I want this. Oh. With the ziki. Step them in. Nom nom.
Oh my God. French fries. Really? Somebody ordered me a souvlaki too. There goes my dinner tonight. I am so screwed. And why do you have a flower in your hand?
I have my birthday celebrant. I give
Happy
some,
birthday, right?
Aw,
It's
that's
real.
It's an orchid.
Very
It's
nice.
beautiful.
Stargazer.
It's
Oh, it's a stargazer.
beautiful.
Very nice,
Oh my
Bronco.
goodness.
Very nice. This birthday cruise is out of control. Wait until you see what he just got. We just left the Paxos restaurant, and they gave him birthday libations, of course. But look at, he's sharing his birthday with another girl on the ship. Go ahead.
They were having a whole
Do your
party
little child
over there.
dance.
It's my birthday.
Oh man, Glenn. We're going back to the room. He's out of control. Back on the boat after taking a good nap, and now we're gonna head down to the specialty restaurant Les Dunes. Here inside the Les Dunes restaurant. It's very pretty in here, very different, unique concept. On deck 8, if you have a suite and you're an ARIA member, or deck 8 and you have
The MGR for the Aria, right?
right. Deck 8, MDR for ARIA suites and above, I think. I got the Caesar salad, and he got the coconut shrimp.
Coconuts.
I don't know how we're eating after earlier eating all that Greek food, but we're gonna eat. We're supposed to be
food was good.
we're supposed to be at a comedy show, but we overslept. That looks very good, and he said it smells very oniony.
And there's burnt cheese on the bread.
Nice. So I take it it's 10 out of 10. Look at that lobster.
You're welcome.
Nice.
You'll get to see his videos, like just like now. You'll see yourself on the video.
You'll be on the interweb.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
you're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you, thank
Look
you.
at that lobster. Woo.
Damn, that is pretty.
I got the penne with tomato sauce. Nice and simple. I'm sure you see Donita and AC here in Las Dunes. They're
Yes.
taking very excellent care of us.
Shout out taga Pilipinas.
Is that Mr. Murphy?
Well, this is my key lime pie. It's got some
Very
little
pretty.
meringue toppers on it, but it's also got raspberries,
Here comes your dessert.
blackberries, there are blueberries in there, and cranberries.
Nice.
Thank you.
I got sorbet for me.
Sorbet for me.
We're a little unhinged because we're tired. We missed the comedy show completely, but oh well. Birthday boy's still keeping up. The ship is partying tonight as we're on our way to Cozumel. We just went into the Dolce Vita bar. That was so cool. So cool. Now we're headed to something going on in Luna Park where Apris meets the dance floor. Let's Oh yeah! What a fantastic party on Luna Park.
Après-ski
They
rave.
had snow.
On the ship, it was snowing.
Our niece Selena said, you need to do a rave like they do in Miami. Well, guess what? We just did it. I'm tired.
And it was cool. They had Christmas trees, they had snow, they had signs pointing to all of the MSC ships.
So fun. We had a great day today. Got off the ship. We walked around Costa Maya. We ate some awesome tacos.
Taco.
So hot. We got to go in the pool on deck 18. Adults only. No screamos.
Chillin' like illin'.
Tomorrow is Cozumel. Don't know what we're doing yet, but we're going to find something. They make our bed every night, and they gave us a port guide. So we'll see where that brings.
And chocolate they give us.
Yeah, chat too. If you made it this far, thank you for watching all the videos. If you get this far in the video, we appreciate you. Hit that like button. It really helps us.
Smash the like button.
And if you've ever been here to Cozumel before, drop it in the comments below. Although we'll probably already be done by the time you get it. Tell us what to do here. But like I said, we'll probably already be past Cozumel by the time you see this video.
Don't listen to what she says.
Good night, everyone from Cozumel. We'll see you
Thanks
tomorrow.
for tuning in.